Invest in Your Health, I welcome you all and pray for your peace, happiness and long life, with these words, Assalamu alaikum. We always strive to share the best advice to help you lead a healthier and happier life. Today, we're going to talk about 5 habits that can seriously affect your health and well-being. By avoiding these habits, you can make your life healthier, happier, and possibly even longer. Let's dive right in. Excessive screen time, spending several hours a day on screens for work or leisure purposes has become common for many people. However, prolonged screen time has been linked to a number of health issues. Sedentary behavior, which often accompanies excessive screen time, is associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, and certain types of cancer. The bright light emitted by screens can also interfere with the body's production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep, leading to insomnia or poor quality sleep. Moreover, staring at a screen for extended periods can cause computer vision syndrome, with symptoms like eye strain, headaches, and blurred vision. It's important to take regular breaks from screen time, move around, adjust the brightness of your screens, and avoid screens before bedtime to improve sleep quality. Overconsumption of caffeine. While a moderate amount of caffeine can boost mood and energy levels, overconsumption can have several negative effects. High doses of caffeine can cause nervousness, restlessness, insomnia, and irregular heartbeats. Long-term overuse can lead to a condition called caffeineism, characterized by a dependency on caffeine and withdrawal symptoms such as headaches, fatigue, and irritability when caffeine levels decrease. Additionally, caffeine can interact with certain medications, and it can worsen health conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and anxiety disorders. To mitigate these risks, it's recommended to limit caffeine intake to about 400 mg per day, equivalent to about 4 cups of coffee. Skipping regular checkups. Regular health checkups can help to detect potential health issues early when they're more treatable. Neglecting these checkups can lead to delayed diagnosis of serious conditions, leading to potentially worse health outcomes and more difficult and costly treatments. For example, diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease may not show symptoms until they're well advanced. Regular checkups, including recommended screenings for your age and gender, can help to catch these diseases early, increasing the chances of successful treatment and survival. Lack of sleep. Chronic sleep deprivation has been associated with a number of serious health conditions. Insufficient sleep can disrupt the body's systems including the immune, cardiovascular, and endocrine systems. This can lead to increased susceptibility to infections, elevated risk of heart disease and stroke, increased insulin resistance, and metabolic disruptions that can lead to weight gain and diabetes. Sleep deprivation also affects the nervous system, impairing cognitive function, mood, and mental health, and it has been linked to an increased risk of accidents and injuries. Ensuring that you get quality sleep on a consistent schedule is an important aspect of overall health. Neglecting hydration. Lastly, drinking enough water is key for health. Your body needs water to digest food, circulate blood, keep your body temperature steady, and get rid of waste. If you don't drink enough, you can feel tired, get headaches, and in severe cases, it can cause serious health issues. As a general guide, try to drink at least 2 liters or about 8 glasses of water a day, but remember this can vary depending on different factors. That's it for today, everyone. Remember, by dropping these bad habits, you can improve your physical and mental health, and your overall quality of life. Health is the greatest wealth we have, so let's strive to protect it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and advice. Stay healthy and see you in our next video.